of my speech is the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the role model for the every person in the world who believes on Allah Almighty and the Day of Judgment. This source of light and guidance, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, can lead us completely. Allah sent His messenger to guide the humanity. The world has seen a lot of scholars, preachers and philosophers, but no one was as great as the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The world has been waiting for the last prophet for the centuries. The long distance of time and the long waiting was ending with the prophethood of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was sent as the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His Sharia was regarded as the last message of Allah, and the previous Sharia was abolished. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Hazrat Musa alayhi salam had been alive, he had no option but to follow me. His guidance was declared sufficient for the last message of Allah. The Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the month of Ramadan. He was an embodiment of mercy of all mankind. Overall, love for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam involves but to him devotion and passion. And the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the great person in the world. The Quran and Sunnah is the basis of our religions. If we want to success in the life, we should follow the teachings of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wassalam.
माशाअल्लाह, ये अली माविया साहब अभी आपके सामने तक की रहमान तशरीफ लाते जो अरबी में जानकर बयान फरमाते।